Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to sell baby Doge coin in Trust Wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trust Wallet application, which of course I have done right here. Now you'll be required to enter your passcode or your biometrics. Now after doing that, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in here. So now that we're here, let's know what Trust Wallet is about. Now, Trust Wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet supporting 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchains, including crypto. Now, you can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn cryptocurrencies all in one place. Isn't that interesting? Okay, so now that we know what the Trust Wallet is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to sell baby Dogecoin in Trust Wallet. I'm going to show you two ways. If the first way doesn't work, we're going to use the next way. Cool? All right. So from this homepage, head over to this crypto tab where you have crypto and NFTs. You're going to see a lot of cryptocurrencies here. So if you don't find the baby Dogecoin, then we're going to have to enable it. How do you do that? Click on Manage Crypto at the bottom corner of your screen, and in the search bar, go ahead and type baby Doge. So you have this baby Doge BNB Smart Chain. Now click on that. So first off, no, you're gonna have to toggle that on so that you'll be able to find it in your homepage. Now click on the baby Doge coin and you have this option that says send, receive, swap, and buy. That means you cannot sell here. The sell option is not available here. So this is what you're gonna do if you want to sell this coin. I'm going all the way back to my homepage. So over here, you're going to see the sell option. So click on the sell option. And once you click on that sell option, you should be able to find baby Doge because you've already enabled baby Doge right there. So click on baby Doge and now it says it's not available, which is not a problem. So we're going to use a third-party site, which is Pancake. So from this bottom corner of your screen, you're going to find home, swap, earn, discover, and browser. Go ahead and click on browser. It's going to take you here. So in this browser, if you don't have it already in your history, go ahead and type in pancakeswap.finance. So click on pancakeswap.finance and it's going to take you into this window. So over here, if you've not connected your wallet, at the top right corner of the screen, you're going to find the connect button. Click on that and connect your wallet to Trust Wallet because that is really necessary. So you want to sell baby Dogecoin. So what do you want to sell it for? Over here, you're going to see this ETH option. So go ahead and click on that ETH option. And in here, go ahead and type in baby Doge. So click on baby Doge. So import says anyone can create tokens on Ethereum any name. So you have to be very careful with that. So go ahead and click on I understand and click on import. So you have your baby Doge in here. So what do you want to sell it for? Let's say I want to sell it for Ethereum. To sell it for Ethereum. So you can click on Ethereum or even USDT, anyone that you want to sell it for. So over here in this option, click on the balance of baby Dogecoin that you have. So you're going to see how much Ethereum you're going to get. Okay. So it says Pancake. So buy cake if you want to, and you have this trade option as well. So now it says insufficient liquidity for this trade. So if you have sufficient liquidity for the trade, then you're going to see the next option. And the next option is going to take you to the next window, which is going to allow you to complete or finalize your transactions. So this way you'll be able to sell baby Doge for Ethereum or a different kind of token that you choose. This is how you can sell baby Dogecoin in Trust Wallet using pancakeswap.finance. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.